So here it comes. This is how the bucket come. MRN, yes, focus. MRN, BERDUGO. Ultimate Brass 02032. This is my serial number. Mustafa, yes, this sent to me. This is my team MRN number. So we have inside here. Oh my god. So what we have here? Yeah, the mechanical BORO and this. Okay, you go away. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Ooh, look at this car, baby. Oh my goodness. How smooth. How beautiful. Oh man. It's brass. I love brass so much. Brass and Cuba. It's art and brass. Oh wee. This mechanical mode. This is full mechanical mode. This is mechanical mode. This is tube inside here. This is mechanical tube. Okay. Fire bar. BERDUGO. I know with the light. I can increase the light a little bit. Yeah. Can also give some light. Yes. So you can see it better. See, this is a BORO door with some magnets. These come off. Nice magnet, very strong. Okay. And this is the drip tip. And the nuts. Nice. Strong and nice. Okay. The drip tip. Yes, it can be removed. This is brass nuts. Focus, please. Please. Yes, thank you. Okay. You can see it. Nice. Our ring in here. And here's ultimate drip tip. This come with it. Nice. And the cap for battery. Yes. So how it work? This is negative side, positive side, and connection. Like MRN V5. Yes, bomb V5 baby. This is MRN. You can say bomb BORO. Yes. See, she's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see this, but the internal that one bad cap there, the positive cap is copper. It's like this. It's all brass, that copper. And this here is copper. Also this pin is fixed. It's not adjustable. See it? Next time I will do video reviewing and assemble full everything of it. I will show it all. Assemble, we will take everything apart. We see how this thing works from the inside. So right now I'll put battery here and I'll put some BORO here and see how it works. Very quick, very nice. So this is what I have. Yes, I know. Yeah. These books are BTA or RDTA. Yeah. It's not my style. I know. But I'm waiting for good stuff to come. You know, shipping here to this country is not something easy. It's not something easy at all. Yes, so we can do this, adjusting it with some coin. Yeah, like that. Solid, strong. As you see, and 21700 battery, baby. The copper card. Yes, of course, the camera is in front of me. I cannot do these things easily, so yes. Okay. Alrighty. This is so good. It hits so good. I believe the ohm inside here is 38. Yes. This AK coils. Now, this is how it looks. Very beautiful. Very nice. Very sexy. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. MRN BERDUGO mech BORO unboxing ultimate brass version. Also there is black Derlin with brass, black Derlin with T6. Also there's white, black with brass and T6, and some other version, very limited edition. Some of them woods, and there's a ploy. I think it's clear edition also. So yes, very beautiful, very powerful. This is 38 ohms. Okay, guys.